everyone! So may nagpa-quote sa akin no na Sun Safer Life na income continuation and estate preservation. So this is for income continuation kasi yung proceed ng life insurance or death benefit in case yung breadwinner ay nawala at meron pa siyang mga maliliit na anak, mapalaki lang ito ng coverage, baga pamana or generational wealth na pwede mapakinabangan ng anak niya until maubos to, no? Pero ideally sa mga insurance talaga, magkano yung monthly expenses mo times 120. So halimbawa ang monthly expenses mo nasa 30,000 times 120, dapat yung insurance coverage nasa 3.6 million. But in this case, this is Sun Safer Life, yung minimum na face amount ng Sun Safer Life is 1 million. Okay? And then, ang kagandahan sa coverage nito is nagta times 2. Kaya 1 million times 2, 2 million. And may additional death benefit na accidental, 1 million. So, kung ang cause of death is accident, ang total na may bibigay sa loved ones niya in case na bangga, nalunod, or nakidlat, any accident, yan. So, 2 million plus 1 million is 3 million. Pero kapag any cause of death naman na hindi accident, 2 million. So, this is the guaranteed death benefit, 200% of the face amount, that's 2 million. This Sun Safer Life is 5-year renewable and convertible term. Ito naman ay 5 years to pay and pwede siyang i-renew every 5 years. Meaning kapag nire-renew every 5 years, nag-i-increase din yung amount to be paid. And ang kagandahan dito, pwede ito ma-convert into VUL. Kasi as of now, if hindi siya na-convert, yung Sun Safer Life ay death benefit lang. Walang money back, walang savings component or investment component. Pero kung gusto mo i-convert into VUL, may investment component. So, pwede naman ito ma-convert, no? And then, this is for 40 years old na gusto niya lang ng coverage para in case may mangyari sa kanya, may mapapamana siya sa mga anak niya, hindi sila maiiwan na walang wala, 'di ba? So, based sa age niya, annual premium 11,860 lang. Kapalit nung 2 million, 'di ba? So, that's mga wala pang 1K per month. Or compare dun sa benefit per sabi na yaran niya per year, wala pa 1% yan. Ito lang yung binayad niya compare sa 2 million. And if again, pwede rin to na estate preservation if may ari-arian, the amount of proceeds ng 2 million, some of it pwede ibayad sa estate tax para matransfer sa mga tagapagmana yung ari-arian. Kasi mahirap kapag nakapangalan pa rin sa lumang may-ari doon. So, natataksan yun ng government. Kailangan talaga within 1 year ma-file na yun para hindi na lumaki yung mga tax dues. So, next is, ito yung age niya, no? 40 to 44. That's the first 5 years. Then, total 11,860 pinakita ko kanina. And kapag ka nag-renew ulit ng 45 to 49 age, 12,200 na. Then 50 to 54, 15,950, 24,170, 28,440, 47,750 for another 5 years. Ito na, no, 70 to 74 hanggang mag-birthday siya ng 75. That's 67,440. So pansin nyo, tumataas talaga kasi tumataas yung mortality rate, mataas yung risk of dying soon. So habang tumatanda talaga, tumataas yan kasi malaki din yung amount 2 million yung life insurance coverage niya dito. So, yeah. Pwede rin to pambahad sa MRI, i-present sa bank finance, para if in case yung property is 2 million, meron ka na rin insurance MRI. At gawing beneficiary yung bangko. Okay, if in case para sa pamilya lang, gawing beneficiary ang pamilya. So summarize ko lang, this is 11,860 for the first 5 years na nag-increase every 5 years. So yun, fairly naman dahil tumataas yung ages ng insured. Okay. So this is until 75 years old, no? Kung na-terminate na, still alive at the age of 75, no money back. Kumbaga, bumili ka lang ng car insurance na babayaran mo para covered ka, pero pag di mo na binayaran, di ka na rin covered. So, ganun lang, term insurance lang po ito. Na pwede naman ma-convert into VUN. So, if you want this plan for the purpose of MRI o papatas lang ng coverage, this is the good plan for you. Pero if not, may pa namang ibang plan na may mga savings ka po na investment. Okay, so this is just a sample and minimum coverage for the 40 years old. Let me know if you want to have explanation na based talaga sa budget and based sa age nyo para accurate.